Dale tú que...
And most of the shit get washed away from the water and the waves. Most of the rest living 150 kilometers north of Newcastle. They are living high on rock.
Dale tú que...
Here we have Jack, our great white pelican. You see yourself, they look more yellow and pinkish. Americans, why ever don't do it like this? They fly high, see the fish and dive down. But the eyes are not made for that impact, so they get blind. Only during the